everyone, this is Miley, and Miley had an old foil highlight, and we are going to convert her to a balayage today, and I'm going to be doing that with Oligo Pro and 1/16 ounce Olaplex. So Miley wears her hair up, so we definitely want to give her some highlights underneath, just so when she wears up, it looks beautiful and sun-kissed as it should. So I am making like pointy, like V's throughout the whole head because I have some correcting to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to brush my lightener on, starting in the mid shaft and working my way up and then scooping the board side to side. And here I'm going to divide my diamond shape in half because there is a lot of highlighting going on and I would like to blend some of that away. So I'm using Oligo Pro Colora Gloss in like a level 8, and I am just going to blur those highlights out. You can see that one sticking out right there, and I am going to get that in just a second with my low light, and I'm just going to brush it on, and it's a gloss glaze, so it's very, very subtle. And there is my next section of points, creating ridges, again, splitting it in half, hiding that highlight so we can get more of a seamless glow to her hair and a more of a lived-in look. So here we want to add dimension and depth. So I'm not going to go very high with my piece. I'm going to leave that in there, and sometimes I'll go in and smooth with my finger as I just did there. And this is a long one, guys, because I really want you to see all the correction I had to do with this just to make her look like she had a lived-in blonde. And she, of course, she wants to be super blonde around her face as well. And just really layering that product on like nail polish, like 1 coat, 2 coat, like truly each section takes me about a good 45 seconds to a minute. Now you can see that big old highlight line. Holy crap, Oli, we need to get rid of that. So I'm going to do a deep weave, and then I picked one more hair out, and I am just going to shadow that line in with my low light, and then I'm going to come up and I am going to blend in some high peaks, but I do want like that teardrop shape in the back, so I'm not going to go up as high in the middle, and I'm just going to cover up that one low light or that one highlight right there with my low light, bring it through the ends, and now we're going to work on the face, and look at that big highlight right there. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to put my low light, and I'm going to sweep it on ever so lightly around her face. Again, taking a diagonal back section, sweeping it around her face, filling in that highlight in the back. Now I'm going to do a deep angled back on the money piece section. And sometimes I take the pieces between my fingers and squeeze if I have any like lightener balls. And of course, when in with my low light right behind it, this is again, secondary money piece. You want to see some shadowing. And as you can see, that deep V is going to hang over it, and it's going to leave the best shadow. Believe me, this deep V going back works awesome. So now I'm going to color melt her. And I am using, again, gloss, just in case I missed any spots, because I can't get them all. And when I do the front, I pull it forward, so it gives you that deeper shadow as it goes forward. Scooping it up, hitting the front, and then I'm going to bring these pieces forward, different from the back side. Okay, and then I'm just going to squirt her low light color on, which is a lot easier to do than putting it on with the brush. I just put the highlight and toner color in a bottle and just comb it through. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. We went for buttery blonde, and here it is, guys. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, I was so shook how beautiful this came out. Like, she looks absolutely stunning, and I'm so happy with the way it came out. Again, I used Oligo Pro with Olaplex. I used the Balayage lightener. I used the glosses. I used it all, and it came out absolutely amazing. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the ding dong.